The power of positive thinking, how optimism can improve your life. Have you ever heard the saying "you are what you think"? It turns out that there's some truth to that. The way we think about ourselves and the world around us can have a powerful impact on our lives. In this video, we'll explore the power of positive thinking and how optimism can improve your life. Positive thinking is more than just being happy all the time. It's about having a mindset that focuses on the good in life, even in the face of challenges. When we think positively, we're more likely to see opportunities instead of obstacles, and we're more resilient in the face of adversity. For example, let's say you're going through a tough time at work. If you have a negative mindset, you might think "I'll never get through this" or "I'm not good enough." But if you have a positive mindset, you might think "This is a challenge, but I can overcome it" or "I'm capable of handling this." By thinking positively, you're more likely to find solutions and feel better about the situation. Another way to think about positive thinking is to imagine a garden. If you plant seeds of negativity, you'll grow weeds of despair. But if you plant seeds of positivity, you'll grow flowers of hope. It's up to us to choose what we plant in our minds. The benefits of positive thinking are numerous. Studies have shown that optimistic people are more likely to have better physical health, stronger relationships, and greater success in life. Positive thinking can also reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall well-being. So how can you cultivate a more positive mindset? One way is to practice gratitude. Take time each day to think about the things you're thankful for, no matter how small. Another way is to reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. Instead of thinking "I can't do this," try thinking "I can do this if I try." Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear.